This is a sample of the K&F filter, 1/4 black mist with the flames low. These are with some lights that are golden and some that change color, and then some that just give some type of glow. A black mist filter is supposed to take the light and soften the glow, and I'm underneath two LEDs that give a lot of light. These are my LED lantern, pole lantern. They are dull, so this should give a nice glow to it. I think I'm going to increase the light to make it a little bit brighter. This is a barn light, 3 volts, and it shines pretty bright. Nice golden hue, 35 Kelvin. K, that is. So here we are, seeing the flames will kick in. Turn over the steaks that we're cooking. Smoking some wood. Now if the camera don't steam up, we don't got a problem. Here we go. Keep those flames going. Look at that bad boy. Right there. Flaming. And the light goes out, and that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this shot of the K&F filters.